it's Ian from TMC. I'm just doing a update on the Aussie dollar pair. Okay, there's a few things that have obviously come to light that I want to make sure that you're aware of. We've obviously got this 10,000 figure. Now, weekly chart doesn't look that bearish, but we're now on the 23rd of November. We've only got a week to go until the end of the month, and I think we've really got to be aware of this candle here. Okay, this large Doji forming. Got a red body at the moment, but nonetheless 10,000. Okay, broke the previous high. It's a formidable candle that I want to make sure that you're aware of. Weekly chart's not really giving many clues away at the moment, so we're breaking it down into a daily. And the daily, when we did the report on Sunday, we noted this 261.8 level. Okay, I know that the Elliott wave sequence overlapped, so actually voided the Elliott wave, but we still like to look at the fibs, and we've got this fib level 101.36 at 261.8%. okay, we did spike through, but just to push lower. Now I can see a potential head and shoulders formation, so this would be the head. Just get that typed on there. This would be the head, this would be the left shoulder, and I think the right shoulder is actually going to form around that level, around the 10,000 level. And now I'm going to explain to you why. You could push through, okay, because the left shoulder could be taking the parallel, the advancing trend lines from here. Okay, the right shoulder could push up to 101.54, but I don't think it will, and I'm just going to explain why. At the moment we're getting squeezed. Okay, we've got our EMA here, which is acting as support. Currently sitting at 97.34, which also happens to be this ascending trend line, and then we're getting squeezed by the top. Okay, now it's not until I break it down into shorter time frames that I can see this potential right shoulder here holding at 10,000. Notice this previous high. Okay, this was a previous resistance level, obviously around 10,000, going back to the 14th, 15th of October. Okay, so down into the hourly chart, this is what we can see. We can see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave sequence down, which I believe is going to be wave 1. Okay, now what normally happens is we get an ABC sequence. Now this could have been it could have completed to 50%, but I don't think it has. Okay, I think the sequence is going to be higher, so I think we've got this 5 down. This A sequence as well is made up of 5 waves, which is quite common in wave A. Wave B in 3 waves, and then a choppy 5 wave sequence up to 10,000 again, and that would line up with 61.8%, the previous high, going back to that date that we just talked about, a perfect ABC sequence, and a big figure. So a lot to aim for here. It's yet to be confirmed. We need to see really a higher low. I'd like it to target here this morning, 98.46, and then just pull off slightly, and then rally up towards that 10,000 big figure. And the reason why I think this is going to unfold was, again, I've got a potential wedge formation, which I'm expecting to break to the downside, but not yet. Hourly is actually showing the head and shoulders, which with the right shoulder forming at the moment. So I'm expecting that to unfold, which is going to time in with this move up, and then a breakdown lower aggressively in wave 3. And also, talking about other dollar pairs, I'm still expecting euro dollar to move up in wave C, and that would obviously be the same sequence as this Aussie dollar pair. So at the moment, standing aside, just waiting for this to confirm that this ABC is completed, looking for a higher low, and then look to take the trade up towards 10,000, but being very careful, okay, because the move down is going to be impulsive, aggressive, and we're going to look for that dollar yen breakout around the same time. Okay, good luck, and I'll update you again soon. Cheers.